So I have an unboxing for you, number one. Number two, I want to tell you where I'm going to be for National Scrapbook Day. And number three, tell you what I'm going to be expecting, what you can expect on my channel for National Scrapbook Day. Okay, so I'm going to be playing along at 3 different places online. That's a lot, right? I know, but there are so many crops and so many challenges, and as much as I want to do like all of them, I have narrowed it down to 3. So the first place I'll be is I'm hosting a challenge at Clique, not Clique Kits. I'm hosting a challenge at Spiegel Mom Scraps. She's having a huge National Scrapbook Day party. There's going to be prizes. There's going to be challenges. Jody's doing it with the Crafty Pocket, which is an Etsy shop that sells printables and flares, and Pattern Happy, which is an amazing company. I've had so much fun playing with their stuff. So I'm hosting a challenge in the Spiegel Mom Scraps NSD party, and I am also going to be playing along with some of the challenges there. And I will leave a link below so that if you're on Facebook and you want to come and join the event, you can, and then play along with us. The second place that I'm going to be is I'm going to be in the Clique Facebook group, playing along with their challenges. I'm not hosting a challenge, anything like that. I'm just playing along with their challenges. And I have a special kit for that, which I'm super excited to unbox for you. And the third place I'm going to be is in Chamel's Facebook group, Scrapbook Like a Superhero. She is going to be, this is so fun. We did this last year and it was like the best thing ever. What she does is she posts challenges with videos, but then she also does these polls, and throughout the day, you get to design a stamp, like a stamp set. And then at the end of the day, or, you know, a couple of days later, whenever she gets them manufactured, like, you can actually buy the stamp set. It's so cool. I love, love, love that. It was like the highlight of my National Scrapbook Day last year. So I'm definitely going to be there. So those are the 3 places I'm going to be playing along. I am physically leaving and going to a friend's house to scrapbook all day, so I'll probably do a layout share after National Scrapbook Day, showing you all of my projects. On my channel, there will be 2 videos. One will be my challenge for the Spiegel Mom Scraps National Scrapbook Day party, so check in for that. And I will also be doing a YouTube hop with a bunch of the girls from the Crafty Maven Getaway. And that's just a YouTube hop. It's just something you can put on, go through the hop, watch all the videos, and get some inspiration. So those are my National Scrapbook Day plans. Now, this kit. This is the National Scrapbook Day kit from Clique Kits. It's a one-off kit. You don't need to just be a subscriber to order it. And I know it's really close to National Scrapbook Day, but I think that what you should do is dig into your stash, create lots of projects for National Scrapbook Day, and then head over to the Clique Kit shop and get yourselves one of these gorgeous kits as a reward for going through so much of your stash during National Scrapbook Day. The kit it's not for subscribe. You know, if you're a subscriber, you can get it, duh. But you can just buy one in the shop, and you can use my code Sarah Scraps to get 10% off the kit. And I will leave my affiliate link below too, which you don't have to use, but if you use it, then it helps to support my channel. And it doesn't cost you any more to use it. So that's down below too. Okay, let's get into this kit because it's awesome. This is my first time looking at this kit. I actually, when I got it in the mail, I put it away because I wanted to have new goodies to look at on National Scrapbook Day. So let's start with the paper. Primarily, this kit is jelly bean soup. I think it's Bohemian Brew. Yes. And look, there's like serious paper going on here. Just saying. So this one's called Peace and has these cute little Volkswagens. And then the back is this yellow pattern. I love this. I always enjoy jelly bean soup because they're not super themey and they have really nice patterns. So like this is a really nice pattern. And if you are a double page scrapbooker, you get 2 of all the patterns. So, 2 sheets of each of the patterns. This is a really nice kit. So we have this orange polka dot on one side, and then the other side is this gorgeous, amazing floral. So we have this floral. This one is this teal, and it has these super duper cute like little potted plants on them. Really, really cute for spring photos. And then the back is this gorgeous red with all these little hearts. So adorable, I love it. This side is a yellow floral, which is super cute. And then the back is suitcases. I love how, so what I'm finding with these papers is, let me just say, I'm just noticing this. There is a really nice mix of like florally papers and geometric papers, papers that are not themey at all and just like geometrics, and then papers that have these, like these little suitcases. So you could use this for so many things. It'd be really nice. And then we have this one. This is called Happiness. This is little love bugs. So cute. Oh my goodness. I have a title page now. Love bug. And then the back is just this nice tone-on-tone small pattern, aqua pattern. The next one is a red and white, red with white polka dots. And then the back is like, okay, so this is kind of messing with my eyes. I will probably take one of these papers and I will be putting cutting strips and using just a couple on a page. This is really cool though, I like that red. And then we have a cut apart sheet. So the cut apart sheet, does it have, oh yeah, look at that lovely. You only get one of the cut apart sheets, but it has a really nice pattern on the back. And then on the front is all of these little cut apart pieces that you can use. And then you get a, I cannot say this word, ever. Corrugated. You get this really pretty corrugated paper. This one's from, these are from Fancy Pants, these corrugated papers. And they're so cool. I have a couple of these. We've gotten these in Clique kits before, and they're so fun to play with. So now let's move on to the embellishments. Okay, so you get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. This coordinates with the Jelly Bean Soup Bohemian Brew. Very cute. I love this little... See, like I look at this little van with On the Road Again, and I immediately have a photo in my head that I'm like, yes, that sticker, this kit, that photo. Yes. Okay, so that one. Also, you also get from the Bohemian Brew collection, before I get into the stuff that's not, you also get a Soup Labels Bohemian Brew, all these words, which are very usable, cute, sweet words, and they match perfectly with the colors. So happy, always, smile, thanks, hi, hugs, you, hello, together, love, sweet. Super cute. And then you get this set, which has, it's the same Bohemian Brew label stickers. So it's all the alphabets, some tiny word stickers, some fun, smaller icon stickers so you can pair them with these larger stickers to create clusters. And then this is the, this is the cut aparts sheet that you can cut apart and use. These were designed by Gia, who is a good friend of mine, and she's super duper talented, like crazy talented. She's an amazing artist. So these were all designed by her, and you get them already printed, ready to go. You just have to cut them apart, and they're really pretty. I love these little like doily pieces and lots of fun elements on there. And then we get from Ellie Studio Noteworthy a pack of wood veneers. And these, again, super usable right now. Favorite snapshot, here and now, the story, day to remember today. Lots of little icons, super usable and adorable. Oh, so excited about these. So these are from Freckled Fawn, and they're acetate doilies. And I have to admit that I saw these in a kit in the shop, and I have been kind of obsessed with wanting to get them and use them ever since. Like, they are so cute. And I'm so glad they're in this kit because they were something that I would want and would keep looking at, but actually probably never order, even though they are the cutest. Like, they're so awesome. I love them. Look, all different colors. There's like 18 in a pack, so you could just have some serious fun with them. I'm imagining like down the side of a page, maybe like layering them all up. Yes, like that. And using them kind of like a border, and then okay, so if your page ends here, then you can take like little words or little phrases, and you can create like a really awesome detailed border down one side of your page, and then have the rest of the photo and the journaling come kind of this way. But how adorable. I love them. Then you get like a whole pack of these fibers, all different ribbony fibers, little thin pieces, thicker pieces, lots and lots, a whole pack of ribbon that coordinate perfectly in the colors. And look how pretty those are. It's been a long time since I've used a lot of ribbon on a scrapbook page, but I'm super inspired to go ahead and try it for National Scrapbook Day. So this kit is very, very, there's a lot in it, and I think the price for it is $24.99. So yeah, it is. Plus you would get 10% off with my code. So all kinds of goodies. So there's exclusive flare, which is really pretty. Let's see if you can get that up there just a little bit. Let me see if I can get it so that it'll kind of focus. Okay. Some shipping tags, and they have the twine attached to them already, so they're just all ready to go. Exclusive sequins. And then more shipping tags. I love shipping tags. So these are, oh, you know what? How cool. Okay. Hold on. Let's just stop here for a second. So these are the doilies, right? They're like a paper doily. How would it look if you took one of these acetate doilies and kind of layered it on top? Look how cute that would be. Okay. Just saying. And then it could come out from a photo, and you can have your little cluster. So we have 3 of the paper doilies. There is a lovely wood veneer. This is a Fancy Pants wood veneer that says nothing's better. And then we get a pack of puffy stickers from Jelly Bean Soup. So cute. I love them. And they're like this nice matte puffy. Really nice puffy stickers. Okay, so that is the National Scrapbook Day kit from Clique Kits. This is the kit that I'm going to be working with primarily during National Scrapbook Day. So I hope to get a lot of pages done and then be able to come back on Monday and do like a layout share. I will leave below the links to the 2 events that I will be in. And the event with Shamel is just in her Facebook group, Scrapbooking Like a Superhero. And yeah, use up lots of your stash. Get a bunch of pages and challenges done, and then treat yourself to a Clique Kits National Scrapbook Day kit. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.